Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.